Hi guys, welcome to another video by Topic 360. Today our topic is big cats facts. How many big cats are there? How many big cat species are there in the world? Number of species of big cats. There are 36 to 40 species of wild cat, depending on which book website you look at regarding feline taxonomy. The Chinese desert cat, aka Chinese mountain cat, is sometimes regarded as a subspecies of Felis silvestris, while others break Libica out of silvestris. Big cats in the jungle. Due to hunting for skins, we are losing this guy. Illegal tiger trade killing 100 big cats each year by BBC News. The illegal trade in tiger parts has led to more than 1,000 wild tigers being killed over the past decade, a report suggested November 9, 2010. Subscribe, like, and share my channel, guys. See you on my next video.